Hey guys, it's Jarex113 here, and today I am doing the second Let's Play on Minecraft. And yes, if you haven't seen my previous video, make sure to go check that out. There's this. I did say I was going to go mining in this video, but I think I'm just going to work on my house and everything, so... single player. Don't look at the name, it's just called YouTube for certain reasons. Okay. I'm sorry if you couldn't hear me for a second. Something happened. Okay, well, I got my bed and everything. I got some mud in. Actually, if I got some mud in, I better get cooking. Got a bit. I got one piece of glass. That's nice. Here's everything. I'm gonna make some sticks. So that should be useful. I'll make 8 sticks for some pieces of mud in. Okay, let's put that in there. Actually, I'll get some glass too. Nothing wrong with giving me some glass. Okay, let's go. This is not where I want to be. Oh, actually, I got a good idea, guys. Why am I using this? I need to go grab my pickaxe. I completely forgot it. And yeah, also in this video, I'm going to be building a bridge, so I don't need to walk across that all the time. Okay. Wait, my pickaxe should be in here. Let's go. And it takes 3. Oh, you know what? No, I'm actually going to collect a bit, so to make tools. So, okay, I got enough for 2 of those. And then 2 more. Boom. 10. That should be enough, right? But for now, I'm going to have to make my way over here. I've got to swim again. Don't worry, it won't take too long, guys. Actually, I'll pause this. Okay, guys, I'm back. And I got my food, so... No. Yum, 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 yum. Ah, some nice little white twitch. 16 should definitely be more than enough. Okay. You know what? Why don't I just place those down? Okay. I'm gonna get a better axe. That's for sure. I want one of those. Put that there. Get a better sword. Why don't I just put all of it down at once? Okay, do that. Get another one. Yeah, I think I just got yeah, I got perfectness. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. And then I've got wait, yeah, you can't do anything like that yet. That's weird, you can't make perfectness. And then I got a hoe. Wait, do I have seeds? I should. Let me check. Wait. Oh, I got it. Yay. Yeah, I have seeds. That's good. Wait. What should I replace? Raw mud, and I don't need that. Okay. Let me place all this stuff that I never needed in here. It's just like my chest full of everything. Oh. Oh. Okay. I'm just gonna be quick and do this. This isn't where my friend's actually gonna be, guys. I never make my friend here. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna have to go back. But no worries, since I can mine so much more fast. Look at that, guys. One tree down already. Okay, I'm at least going to get a stack. You need 16 for a whole stack, at least by what I hear. Boom. More than enough. You know what I like to do, guys? I'll get on top of a tree. Oh, just barely. Ooh, I'm a rebel. How to feel like it's 96. My oxygen's going down fast, boy. Let's grab this. Oh, just barely. You even saw that, guys. Ooh, I'm around just like kicks. I'm around just like kicks. Okay. I want to get started on my nice little house. I'll start here. And it's getting kind of late, so I'm going to go to bed. In the morning, I am going to make the bridge. I don't know how to make fences, guys. This might be a problem. One sec, guys. I'll be right back. How to make fences. Just Minecraft. Natural real. How do you make... I am dumb. I'm just going to go on Minecraft. Okay, back to game, guys. And I am going to see how... Okay, I'm going to make some sticks for sure. Take these. One sec, guys. Yeah? Okay. I'm making a video right now. Okay, I'm back. Okay. I just needed to do something. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I got that done, guys. Now, let's go to full screen, shall we? Okay, let's go. I only got... Oh, it only gave me 3. I should have gotten more. That was weird. I should have gotten more than 3. I don't know why. 3, that's weird. Oh, I don't think I collected it all, did I? 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Jolly good. You know, just... Why do I always do that? I'm gonna have to look up how to make stairs soon. Okay. I thought the video stopped, guys. 1 sec. Yeah? Okay, 1 sec, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, guys. Sorry about that. I had to get my food. Okay. Wait, I was heading up here to make stairs, so. Crafting table. And I don't know how to make stairs, guys, so. No. 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 Yeah, I'm just not gonna make stairs, guys. Seem to be really bad at it. Let's just go build a bridge already. Actually, let's see. Okay, I think I got a little bit more time, guys. Like, build to the other side. I might die, guys. Okay, guys, thank you all for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you all next time. Bye.